Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at your home. So, children, today we'll discuss some important points to remember of second chapter, nutrition in animals. Our first point is mastication, an act of grinding solid food into small particles by teeth. Mastication is an act of grinding solid food into small particles by the teeth. Number 2. Ingestion. Process by which food is taken into a body. Process by which food is taken into a body. Okay. Next, digestion. Digestion is the process of breaking down complex molecules into simpler molecules. Next, absorption. Process in which soluble digested food product. Absorption. Process in which soluble digested product are absorbed. Next, assimilation. Assimilation is the process in which the absorbed food nutrient are utilized by the body. Next, egestion. Egestion is the process of removal of undigested food from the body. Last second is ruminants. Plant eating animals that chew the cud. Plant eating animals that chew the cud. And last point is pseudopodia. False feet of amoeba which it uses to engulf food. Okay, now wrap up. In wrap up, first point is animals are heterotrophic because they can't make their food. They can be herbivorous, carnivorous or omnivorous based on their feeding habits or eating habits. Okay. Number 2. Human beings digestion takes place in the long digestive tract of the digestive system or the alimentary canal. The alimentary canal begins in the mouth and ends at the anus. Okay, very important line. Next, based on their functions, human teeth can be divided into 3 types. That is incisor, canine, premolar and molars. Next, digestion of food begins in the mouth by the action of saliva. Yes. The nutrients are absorbed in the small intestine through the blood vessels present in villi. Last second point, the undigested waste is thrown out of the body as feces through the anus. And last point is, in unicellular organisms such as amoeba, digestion takes place in the food vacuoles. Okay? Next, children, now let's discuss exercise. Take the correct answer. Number 1. The process of taking in food into the body is called ingestion. C. Second point, process by which food is taken into a body. Okay. Number 2, the pipe which connects the mouth with the stomach. Options are A, epiglottis, B, esophagus, C, intestine, D, pharynx. Right answer is esophagus. Number 3. In humans, the type of teeth used to tear the food is molar, incisor, premolar, canine. Right option is D, canine. Number 4. Bile is stored in the bile is stored in the options are pancreas, small intestine, gallbladder, large intestine. Right answer is gallbladder. Okay. Next, the inner lining of the stomach is called A. Villi, B. Cud, C. Rumen, and D. Mucus. Right answer is mucus. Next, fill in the blanks. Number 1. An adult human being has dash teeth, 32 teeth. Number 2. Dash are used for biting and cutting food in humans. Answer is incisors. Number 3. The liver secretes dash, which plays an important role in the digestion of fat. Answer is bile. Number 4. Grass. Grass. Correct this word, okay? It is not a glass, it's grass. Grass is rich in a carbohydrates called dash cellulose. Number 5. Amoeba is a dash organism. It's a unicellular, single celled organism. Right answer is unicellular. Next, state whether the following statement are true or false. Number 1. Digestion of starch start in the stomach. False. Number 2. Canines are meant for tearing flesh. True. Number 3. Ruminants cannot digest cellulose. False. Food pipe is also known as alimentary canal. False. Number 5. Absorption of digested food takes place in the large intestine. False. Now children, I am giving you some question answers and exercise in PDF file. You have to complete these question answers and exercise in your science notebook. Our second chapter is finished. Please complete your work very nicely. Thank you and God bless you all.